Welcome to another video in our series on business transformation with advanced technologies. This time we are going to talk about something fundamental for any company that wants to operate efficiently: the real-time integration of three key pillars: machinery, human resources, and operations. How can we interconnect all these elements and optimize management in real time? Today I will show you how digital twins, artificial intelligence, and advanced analytics make it possible. One of the biggest barriers to business efficiency has been the lack of integration between machinery, human teams, and operations. In many companies, these systems operate independently, leading to inefficiencies, errors, and a lack of real-time visibility. Imagine a production plant where machinery works at one pace, employees operate at another, and operations management is not fully synchronized. This creates bottlenecks, downtime, and a lack of agility that affects the bottom line. With the advent of digital twins, companies can integrate and monitor all their machinery and operations in real time. A digital twin replicates the physical environment in a digital model, allowing managers to anticipate problems, optimize processes, and make decisions in real time. For example, in a manufacturing plant, digital twins can simulate the behavior of each machine, see when it needs preventive maintenance, or adjust its pace to avoid downtime. This not only improves operational efficiency, but also reduces costs. Integrating human resources into the digital ecosystem is another key pillar. Employees are no longer simply cogs in a wheel, but thanks to technology, their work can be optimized, coordinated, and better managed in real time. With advanced analytics and machine learning, companies can predict how employees are performing their tasks, dynamically adjust schedules, and ensure that the right people are assigned to the right tasks. This increases productivity, improves job satisfaction, and enables better coordination between machines and humans. The real power of integration lies in the total coordination between the three elements: machinery, human resources, and operations. Thanks to technologies such as digital twins and real-time connectivity, companies can take a holistic view of their entire operation, with each part functioning as an integrated system. For example, a factory can automatically adjust the pace of production based on worker availability and machine performance, optimizing resources at all times. This translates into less downtime, fewer errors, and greater operational efficiency. Leading companies such as General Electric and Tesla have already implemented these real-time integration systems. At Tesla's factories, employees and machines work in perfect synchronization, enabling much more efficient production. At General Electric, digital twins are optimizing complex industrial operations, from power plants to aviation systems. The results are clear: greater efficiency, better use of resources, and an ability to adapt quickly to any changes in operations. Integrating machinery, human resources, and operations in real time is the key to improve the operational efficiency and competitiveness of your company. If you are interested in implementing these advanced solutions to optimize your business, do not hesitate to contact me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you transform your business with the most innovative technology. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep receiving more content on how technology can transform your business and improve your operations.